Hi Bafethu, I'm back Bafethu, I'm back. This is your boy Sintembile, Azani in politics Bafethu. The show goes on. President Ramaphosa to deliver a keynote address at the national dialogue. That has happened. Simon Majadigo has returned the story. The first national convention of the controversial national dialogue will kick off on Friday in Pretoria, despite withdrawals from former President Thabo Mbeki, several legacy foundations, government of national unity partners, and civil society groups. Several prominent foundations, including the Thabo Mbeki Foundation and the Desmond Tutu and Leon Tutu Legacy Foundation, have pulled out of the process over concerns regarding its implementation and rushed timelines. The Democratic Alliance Freedom Front Plus pulled out, accusing the ruling African National Congress of using the dialogue to bolster its image ahead of 2026 local government elections. They damn right. Because it was wasteful. It has happened and it was very wasteful, I think. And they were right to pull out of it. However, the ANC confirmed its participation in the event that will take place on Friday and Saturday, saying it supports the effort to build consensus, address the country's deepening socio-economic and political challenges. Our participation will be anchored in the values of the ANC, the resolutions of our national conference, and the current lived experience of our people. ANC National Spokesperson Mahlengu Mutsiri said. The ANC delegation will include Secretary General Fikile Mbalula, National Chairperson Gwede Mantashe, Treasurer General Gwen Mramokgopa, and Head of Political Education Subcommittee David Mathura. Yeah. President Cyril Ramaphosa David Makhura. President Cyril Ramaphosa is expected to deliver the keynote address. IOL News reported that President Cyril Ramaphosa, through presidential spokesperson Vincent Magwenya, responded to the criticism during a media briefing at the Union Buildings, saying the convention would proceed regardless of who attend. The show goes on. Magwenya said the National Convention is not the actual dialogue. It is a platform to set the agenda and map out a road map for the broader dialogue process. We don't need dialogues, we need action. Hey Nina, Mario Clules, or we're just doing things on purpose just to make our people serve. He said that the convention marks the beginning of a 9-month national engagement expected to reach communities, wards, districts, and various sectors of society. The ANC is campaigning. He's campaigning. Magwenya argued that absence of legacy foundations such as the Steve Biko Foundation, the Oliver and Atenate Foundation, and the Chief Lampetu Tule Foundation does not diminish the legacy, the legitimacy of the process. No basic corner. Even if they were there, this thing was actually a waste of time. Thank God they go to their senses. A week ago, Seven Foundation issued a joint statement announcing their withdrawal, citing concerns that was originally envisioned by SA citizen-led initiative had shifted towards government control. Magwenya dismissed this claim, reiterating that the dialogue would not be defined by the attendance of a handful of organizations. It would have been great to have former President Mbeki there, but if he's not. South Africa is much bigger than any individual or a single foundation, bigger than the ANC. You must know. He added that boycotting the convention was not boycotting the government, it's boycotting the people of South Africa. No, you're lying. Actually, it's siding with the people of South Africa. Nobody supports this thing until Nina Ninjani. Nobody. That's why this foundation pulled out. These people don't take us serious. These people are siding with the people of South Africa, not boycotting people of South Africa. He added that meanwhile, other political parties have also withdrawn for formal participation. Action SA announced on Wednesday that it would not take part due to unsolved concerns about the process and its funding. However, the party said it will send its MPs Dr. Jose Diklap and Lerato Ngobeni to observe proceedings. Controversial lobby groups AfriForum and Solidarity also confirmed their non-participant. Despite the mounting criticism and boycotts, the president maintains that the convention remains an inclusive platform to address the challenges facing the country. Ramaphosa and ANC. We've been living under the rock. We don't know what's our problems here. We don't know that the youth unemployment and crime is. Anyway, guys, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Don't have much to say. Give people in Japan to more. See you in the next video.